Meet the black heron, a bird with a brilliant fishing trick. This wading bird uses its wings like a curtain to create a canopy over the water.
Before I tell you last one, if you are not an alien, like and subscribe the channel, and only good human can do this. Comment your city.
This shade does two things. It helps the heron see into the water without glare from the sun, and it also attracts fish, who think the dark shadow is a safe place to hide from predators. Once the fish gather under the canopy, the heron quickly snatches them. This clever use of its wings makes the black heron a true fishing genius.